And by something fun today, like I said yesterday, I meant be awake all night with the baby. Ugh. He was fussy and not sleeping. Did you hear your brother at all last night? You did?
Yeah.
Did you? We'll see how late Kayla sleeps. Rory slept for us till 8, which is nice. Nuts. Need some nuts? Okay. We are headed out. Gonna head to the aviary for looking at birds. You excited to see birds?
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
A fly.
They're flying away. Well, we're gonna take this camera just in case they fly away. I can zoom in and out. The other camera's better quality, but with a prime lens, you don't zoom on that. So I think we're gonna get better results with this camera. Does that sound good to you? Cool.
Watch the master at work. Wow. He has no swallow reflex or something. He just like opens his throat and pours it down. I don't know how that's possible. You could be in one of those competitions where you just like swallow food and
None
drinks.
of that follows food. I've always said I could do the chocolate milk thing. Like I can drink chocolate milk, which is like so good. Just like
What? It's a liquid. Why would it be any different than
I don't know, water. I can't do this with water. I mean maybe I can.
Yes, you can. You just did it with juice.
Okay, well we're gonna go to the aviary now. Let's do this! We're gonna wait till this car next to us moves. She hit our car.
Is your window down?
No, my door's open. You excited to see some birds, Rory? Yeah, Grammy got you this for your Christmas present. Or Mommy's Christmas present.
Yeah,
It's so that Mommy has something to do with you. Gotta cut the coughs. You ready to see some birds, baby Steel? Wah! Kayla's a little distracted. My bad. I wasn't sure if I wanted to B-roll or not, but there's a lot of cool things to look at. So
Hi.
it might end up. Yeah, we're gonna go see birdies. It might end up being a B-roll. It might just end up being a normal talking vlog. But they do have coffee, so we might be getting some of that. Mr. Steele, waketh yourself and prepare for adventure. I think he's preparing to poop. But first a snack. How about it? Good idea, Mom. She's the smartest. Is your mom the smartest girl ever?
No comment. Is this ending? To eat at this level.
Rainforest first. Ooh. Fancy. Ready? Here you go. Aren't you glad I brought the zoom lens? Can't see it. See the ducks on the wood on this little bridge? Just looking. Just look. That's pretty cool, huh?
Oh look, he's got a little thing on his leg.
Okay, water.
Yeah, that's what the birdies drink.
Funky little feather situation.
Daddy!
These are very common in Australia. They're like our pigeons or our robins. They're just everywhere. Very, very common.
Do you like the birdies? Are they cute?
Hi.
Yeah, did you say hi to it? Did you say hi? Oh, there he jumps. They're pretty birds. Wow.
Whoa.
Is that what they say? Look at that birdie. aviary story where he's gonna get some pizza and eat some black olives.
Yeah.
Does that sound good to you? Much delish.
Mommy, daddy.
Yeah, mommy's gonna pat them. Do you like black olives?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Let me see you eat it. Oh, yummy!
People.
Uh-huh, I hear them. They're making your pizza.
Oh.
I will do it.
I convinced him to come back.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Are you feeding him up here or back there? Oh, we saved it. Good job, girlfriend. So yeah, that's Pocahontas.
Hi.
I've been recording for 6 minutes and 18 seconds.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm sure that was riveting footage. Oh, wow. Well, it's riveting footage now. Is your birdie riding along with you?
Yeah.
We always forget about these plants. Pineapples for sale.
Huh?
Pineapples for sale.
Pineapple plants, yeah. I've never seen
How much are they? I mean, your room isn't ready yet, but only $18? I guess it's summer. You don't need.
They just give one plant and then die?
I'm not sure. Don't know. You have to do some research. My parents just sent us cute cards like all the time.
Did they send us 10?
10 cards for our 10-year
Rory
anniversary.
got 2 cards for her birthday.
What? What is this? Is this a Rory birthday card?
Congratulations on your
Oh,
babies mean a world of brand new joy.
Hi, Rory. How you doing? Did you get a good nap in? What's up? What's up? What's up? Trying to get out? You just want to get back to sleep.
Me too, girlfriend.
We were having banana ice cream, and she got some on her shirt. And when I tried to get it off of her, I didn't do a very good job keeping it off her face. In fact, I made it worse. Here you go, show mommy.
What happened to your face? Your face is all brown.
Are you chocolate girl? Queen chocolate? Queen Chocula? And that's it for us for tonight. Steele and I are going to hang out for a little bit while Mom gets a little sleep to start the night off. He's wide awake at the moment, so he may as well hang out with me. And we will see you tomorrow. How about it? See you tomorrow? Does that sound good to you? Good night, Mr. Steele. Hey. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.